Heat pump dryers are emerging as a transformative technology in the battle against the climate crisis. These advanced appliances, known for their energy-efficient heating applications, have ventured into laundry drying. Heat pump dryers capture attention with remarkable efficiency due to their ability to dry clothes 3 to 4 times more efficiently than traditional dryers. Their success in Europe, constituting half the market, underscores their potential. The adoption of heat pump dryers is gaining traction, driven by their energy and carbon savings, lack of venting requirements, operational cost advantages, and reduced fire risks. Moreover, their compatibility with standard outlets aids the transition from fossil fuel-reliant appliances and benefits homes with limited electrical capacities.